Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Discord. To log into Discord, make sure you have installed Discord on your device. To get started, launch Open Discord app. Here you can see this kind of interface. Now click on Login option. Now as per the requirement, add your mobile number and a password. Add a password you have created. Now click on Login button. So here you have successfully logged in into Discord. That is how easily you can log in into Discord on your device.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.